lagi kau ada Australia.
Australia. Go lagi.
No, hal lagi. Cina lagi.
Na lagi.
So, what can you do?
Write down some stuff I'm gonna say.
In the Quran?
It's an ambush. She woke me up out of my sleep. Now I'm gonna say some words.
Say.
Yurmisu. Yurmisu. Okay. The vowels are very difficult because I took 4 years of Spanish, so I know the A, E, I, O.
Dush. Okay. Mitsu, bra. What else? Yik. Say.
Yurkur.
It's true, right? Yik. You lazy. What else? I don't know.
Yeah, that's it. Say oh, like I want to know where something is. How do I ask where something is? Where is the store? Where is a person?
No.
It's one of the most basic questions you're gonna need to ask if you're gonna be asking a current person. Be asking where something is. Neuro pele. Neuro pele. Urolurset.
So say it again. Say it at the beginning.
Yurmesu, Yurkur, Neuropele, Urolurset.
Yeah, me.
Yurme-lur-he. Yurme-lur-he. Is that a W or a Y?
Just like this one's.
Yurnaka.
This one's go up. So you have to say go.
Yurnaka.
Nako.
Yurnaka. Tablu.
This is W.
Tabwi. Yurtha.
Me tire. Okay.
What else you got?
Just be happy. Just be happy, sir. Yeah.
Secret agent kids.
Alright, here.
You're all meta te beba. I feel like I've said this one before. You're all me te beba.
You are me two actually. Two. T. Say bigger.
You're a meter beba.
The baby.
Oh! That's it.
You guys making sound, huh? For the baby sleeping.
I accidentally fell because you saw his foot.
I don't know what to say anymore. I'm tired.
That's why before you make a video, you gotta
I wanna
make
go
a
to
list.
sleep.
You gotta come up with ideas. Make a list.
Takilida. Say.
Takilida.
Takili.
Takili.
It means it's dark.
Takili.
You know tomorrow's gonna be cold, right?
It's supposed to snow anytime now.
Yeah, it's gonna be like 10 degrees colder.
It's snow.
10 degrees colder. So
Hopefully the last
can't
snow
really
for
go.
the year.
But yeah, hopefully the last day. You know, the last day in this is springtime. It's supposed to rain, but it's not normal.
Okay, well, let's say you told me where how to ask where something is. Now, what about like where's the bathroom or where is, the food? Where's the food or? There's only two important things. Where's food? Where's bathroom? Where's sleep? Ta, a, o, ler, ne. And what word in there is the bathroom?
Huh?
Which one of those is the bathroom? Ta, the bathroom. It's the only new word I
Tao
see.
is food.
Food. Okay, where's the food?
Tao.
Okay. I can see where it is. Hippo, o, ler, ne. Hippo, o, le, ne.
There you go. Someone like Karina.
Hippo, o, le, ne.
Hippo olene.
Hippo, o, le, ne.
Hippo olene.
Hippo, o, le, ne.
So next time you remember?
Don't put an R there if you don't want the R sound.
Tao. How about this one? Tao olene.
Le. Le.
Le. See? Can't really interpret. Tao olene.
Ta, o, le, ne. Hippo, o, le, ne. O, le, ne.
Hippo olene. Let's make a thumbnail. This 10 minutes fine. I don't want to be too long.
10 minutes is fine for a video.
Come closer. Okay.
It's fine.
All right, guys. We all done now. So if you like the video, make sure you subscribe. Okay. So subscribe, guys, to support us. For this channel to grow. So we just really need help. To.
And if you don't like the video, subscribe and watch the video.
Even though if you don't like it, just
subscribe
still
and then leave.
subscribe. Like and comments. Give us some good comments, not negative comments.
She'll delete them.
Yeah, I'll delete it because I don't really want negative it's like algorithm, for like YouTube, and they will not recommend it to other people. So
I don't know if the words in the comment decide the algorithm. The algorithm is decided by how long people watch the video or
the words
how much interaction they're doing with the video.
The words that I say on the title or in the description.
No, the algorithm goes off of how long of the video they're watching. So if they watch the 12-minute video and they stop at 30 seconds, it's bad. But if you watch, the more they watch, the better.
Make sure you watch the whole video. Make sure you watch the whole videos, okay, guys? And then just make this channel grow, and we just want to see it grows because we try really hard. We still figure out what kind of content we just wanna. I mean, this is obviously this is the most watched content. Like content, but title, like when you and I do like video together. People want to see, you know, you speak my language.
She was planning on doing a Q&A, but that doesn't really make sense. Why would we do a Q&A of asking each other questions? But you ask questions, so maybe a live video of you asking questions. When is a good time for that? I don't know.
Maybe next time we do when the weather get better, we do outside, you know, but there will be more room outside. So every time we do the video, we have to do it, you know, at night, because got our kids, you know, babies, so babies run around screaming everywhere, so she likes to do that. So yeah, so guys, make sure you support this video and support and follow us on Instagram. The descriptions are in the comments below, I mean in the description box, so make sure you click on it and click follows. You know, we update you guys with anything, you know, any new videos that we posted. So also hit that bell button so you don't miss any videos that we posted. So okay, make sure you do that, guys. Okay, we'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care and be safe.